Hey guys, in this week we're gonna take a look at the Rodeway Inn and Suite in Williams, Arizona on the famous Route 66. So let's find the room and let's take a tour. Well, please notice that the train track you see in the back is not so noisy in the room as they are outside the room.
Welcome to room 126. It's a two queen room, so two queen beds. There's an AC. There is a wireless charger and USB ports in the nightstands. So they are not from the Route 66 era. We got a nice little refrigerator with the ice. We have a microwave and a little coffee machine and some different kind of coffee and ice buckets and some glasses. Then there's a chair if you want to see the one who's sitting and see who's sleeping. There is some cabinets where we can put some stuff if you would like that. It's a non-smoking hotel, but it's a hotel with candy, so free candy in every room. We got a TV. We got a nightstand in the middle of the beds. There's some drawers. No Bible, but drawers. And then again on the other side there's a nightstand. And of course there's some art. There are some hangers. Some place to put your coats. There is two sinks. His and hers. There's a man in the mirror. Man not included in room. Some lights. Some towels. Hairdryer. And if we're lucky, we have a bathroom. We have a tub, some more towels, even more towels, normal US shower, and a normal US toilet. You can actually turn on the suction here. And please remember, this is an old hotel, so there will be things in the corners that are not so nice, but actually I think this is pretty nice for the age of this hotel. So yeah, it's in the middle of Williams. I'll show you that in just a little bit.
It was a pretty nice room. We had a decent sleep. There's a lot of restaurants in the city, from normal Route 66 burger joints, chicken tenders and so on, to right next door there are actually a steakhouse that you can enjoy, and which we enjoy. Here we're on the way back from the steakhouse. Night has fallen and there's pretty quiet in this little Route 66 town. So we went to the room, watched some TV, and now let's have a little look at how the city looks. There's a lot of interesting stores in Williams, a lot of Route 66 themes, a lot of funny stores. This store had like anything you would like to buy or you didn't know you would like to buy. We actually bought a sign at this store, and they had actually reasonable prices. So go in, say hi, and have a talk with the owner. He's a jolly old fellow, like many of the store owners are on Route 66. one-way street down the old Route 66, and then there is a one-way street in the back of all the stores. So if you're coming from Chicago and going through Williams, you will not see the main street on Route 66, so you need to park your cars. There are plenty of parking, so no problem. And then take a walk up and down Main Street. Now in Williams, in the mountain you see just in front of us to the right, there are actually just opened a coaster where you can go and run down the mountain. I can highly recommend that. That was a fun trip. Well, that was all for Williams. If you like these kind of videos, please remember to like, subscribe, write a comment where you would like us to go next, and see you in the next video.